Welcome to our tech channel, where today we're featuring the Google Pixel 8a. The Pixel 8a is a visual delight with its 6.1-inch OLED display. The 90 Hz refresh rate and HDR support promise a smooth and vibrant viewing experience. Powered by the Google Tensor G3 chipset, the Pixel 8a is built for efficiency and performance. With 8 GB RAM and 256 GB internal storage. It has dual camera setup that includes a 64MP main sensor and a 13MP ultra-wide lens. For selfies and video calls, the 13MP front camera ensures you always look your best. The Pixel 8a's sound system doesn't disappoint, with stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience. The device is built to last with dust and water resistance, and the 4500 mAh battery supports 5W wireless charging, available in colors like mint, bay, and porcelain. And with Android 14 on board, you get the latest features and security updates. Starting at a competitive price, the Google Pixel 8a is the smart choice for those who want a premium smartphone experience without the premium price tag. For more tech insights and the latest gadget reviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more.